Good morning, ham friends. We made it. We're in Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and we're going to be attending the Swampfest here at the club. And you can see the antenna for the clubhouse. Boy, they got a nice tower. A couple of nice antennas on the tower. And I think we might be able to get a chance to operate. We'll see. But they've got a Swapmeet out back, and they got a nice big backyard, so I'm going to go back there and see what I can find at the Swapmeet. Oh boy, my favorite, Dell and HP.
Brand new? Oh. How about go and get those? Everything but those three pieces, but not the ring. No? I hope it's up over. Well, all three of you can walk over. Sure. Hey, that stuff really works.
Yeah. So in Alaska, I was known as the one tolerant, and I'd be out there with a heater hose strapped around my shoulder with a bungee cord that I kept.
Yeah.
And I'd be standing there working with that heater hose blowing just like this. And everybody's like, "We don't know how you get it done." I'm like, "Well, men get it done, boys don't." Clip. So it won't be headed south until I return if I can do that W2QIA. Oh man, I miss that.
I have a 25 strip, 4-inch copper
Yeah,
with ground. I had 3 people on Facebook asking for that. Okay? I thought I'll give you a deal of a lifetime, $100. And I was hoping someone's going to put up a repeater or thinking about repairing some hardline. I got plenty of hardline. Some of them still got the vacuum or gas ports on it, like this one. I'm not sure if it's still sealed, but it's got the right end on it. See?
Yep.
So you vacuum it out or fill it up with gas. You see? As soon as you start digging, you're going to find something. That was me when I first got them. Well, I need that for that project.
We got some antenna carts here. Wow. I'm going to build an antenna.
Oh yeah. I practice 10 minutes every evening before I went to bed. Day after day.
Find this place quick, I gotta stop and I am slide down out of sleep, grab the door, go stand there, I can't move.
Walking all day. That's the worst reputation, me or Gene.
How much you want for the speaker?
I want at least $25 for him. He's brand new. I think they sell for $49.95. Yeah, it's set up for specific frequencies.
Yeah.
I've never used it, as you can see. I just brought a few extra things out. I got a bunch of things I don't use. I should get this out too. So a little keyer. Don't use it anymore anyway.
Yeah.
All the new radios, all the new rigs,
Yeah.
they've got keyers in them. This one is unique though. It'll key your tube rigs.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
It'll handle some of these amplifiers, like the SB200.
Yeah.
It's got 100 volts across it.
Right, yeah.
You know, and I made that mistake. Take my 46 Pro and plug it into it. Wiped out the keying circuit right now.
Yeah.
That's a matching power supply for this thing.
That's a monster, man.
Yeah, it runs both of them.
Does it?
Yeah, runs both simultaneously.
Hercules.
It's 125 amps.
Uh-huh.
This was what they call a closet kilowatt with that power supply. Automatic antenna.
How much do you want for the whole deal?
I want $1,600 for the whole thing, including the power supply.
Yeah.
And the power supply is worth minimum $300 by itself.
How are you?
Pretty good.
You just got set up here, huh?
Yeah.
I missed you the first time around. Yeah, okay.
Pretty clean little radio.
You know, I've never looked at one up close.
Right. I've had 20 years.
Wow.
Talk about the city searching, getting the city reacted.
Well, it wasn't during that. It was, TJ was talking about something, and you know, it didn't seem like it went on that long.
How you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you, sir?
Great.
All right, my name's Rich.
Get it?
K0PIR. Nice to meet you.
KJ4KRT.
This is your club station, huh?
This is club station.
All right.
We've got the 2-meter rig over on the file cabinet.
Yeah, I saw that one.
We got this icon here, and we got a 10-tech over here.
All right.
It's all wired in so we can run our antennas to.
What antennas do you have up?
Oh, and we've got a 746 behind you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, and there's a couple of beams up on the tower.
Yeah.
The one tri-band, or what's
The big one is a tri-band. Hey John, how you doing?
Pretty good. About yourself?
watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Also tell your friends. 73 and good DX.